Ludo is the most popular game we all know and played with our family since childhood. To make this, I have taken two square paper and stick them together to make the strong base. I have made the Ludo blocks with pencil and I have 15 blocks in a straight line and 6 into 3 for each house. Also, you have to make 4 houses in each corner, and I'm going to paint it with my pastel colors, and I'm choosing pastel pink, pastel green, buttercup yellow, and aqua blue. You can also use this if you want to make it look like pastel Ludo game. So after painting all the blocks, it not look so good. I have painted only the base. So to highlight it, I use regular color from the basic Ludo game, which are green, blue, and yellow. But because I use pastel pink, I switch from red to pink. And after this is going to be look like this, and you can play on it.